In this video, how to find the laptop serial number in Windows. The first method is by using the command prompt. The second method is by using PowerShell. The next method is by checking it from the BIOS setup page. From Windows, you can boot into the BIOS using the Advanced Startup option in Windows settings. And the last method is by using the manufacturer's assistant app. For example, for Lenovo laptops, you can use the Lenovo Vantage app. For HP laptops, you can use the HP Support Assistant. For Acer laptops, you can use the Acer Care Center. And for Dell laptops, the serial number is called the service tag, which you can find using the Dell Support Assist app. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.